Hello and thank you for using the SAR. This video will describe how to edit any of the account information you have entered into your SAR, such as your email, home address, and more. If you have additional questions after watching this video, please email support@scarletcs.com or visit scarletcs.zendesk.com to view FAQ, other videos, or to submit a question to customer support. You can also contact us through the Help tab in the SAR after you've created your account. To begin, log into your SAR account at srar.selfreportedtranscript.com. Then click Account in the upper right-hand corner. You should now see a page that looks like this where you can edit all of your information, including your name, email, password, home address, and phone number. At the bottom, you can find the option to enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security if you desire. To update the information, simply press Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. You have now successfully updated your SAR information. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with your applications.